Day 5, Ohsawa Diet No. 7 brown rice porridge. Just leftover brown, medium grain, and sweet brown rice cooked together with more water to make a porridge with some homemade gamasio and actually using a little Bubby's sauerkraut this morning. Okay, day 5 of the Ohsawa Diet No. 7 brown rice diet. Having a third meal, even though it's late and later than we like to eat. It's 5:30, it's almost 6. I'm just feeling I need something hot. For sure, I've been really extra chilled this past week. And we trained today, and my calorie intake so far is about 1,300 calories. So, I mean, it's fine. Only about 33 grams of protein. But I just want something a little hot right now. So I'm having, it's mostly brown rice, but I did add a little of that. I actually like the creamy kame because it's more of a whole grain, but I'm not seeing them making that anymore. And really, I do love the flavor of this, and it's a little more protein, actually, believe it or not, than the rice. Well, not believe it or not, wheat is higher in protein. Anyway, so that's the last meal of the day. Other than the brown rice dinner with miso soup and porridge, I did have 2 rice cakes, and on one of them I put maybe about a teaspoon or a tiny bit more of tahini. Ohsawa Diet No. 7, aka brown rice diet, on day 6. One more day. So this is a fresh pot of brown rice. It's 4 cups medium grain with 2 cups sweet. And we've opened Dawn's batch of kale, fermented kale with cabbage and baby bok choy. Looking forward to trying that. How is it? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Fresh batch of gamasio, roasted sesame salt, having a nori sheet, and yeah, so this is a breakfast. More to come. Ohsawa Diet No. 7, day 6. Wow, it's going so fast, it's hard to believe. Okay, this is our lunch. We are having to eat a little earlier because we have to go to our clinic, and I didn't want to wait until practically 5 o'clock to eat again. So, brown rice and miso soup. I added half a carrot. I needed something orange. Some celery and a little daikon, and then the seaweed and ginger, plus the darker brown miso. Tablespoon of gamasio, and I'm going to finish. I had 1.5 sheets of nori at breakfast. I'm going to have my other half now. So that's dinner. Stirring up a big fresh new pot of rice for day 7. Oh yeah, look at that nice crusty stuff in the bottom. That's considered good luck, isn't it? It's the most yang part of the rice for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Hey folks, Tracy. Day 7! Woohoo! It went by so fast. I'm excited. I'm excited because I actually just feel so happy and energized, and I'm happy for completing this as well. I'm looking forward to having more fat in my diet again, and I guess more protein too. Just more variety. So today is a bit of a hectic day because we have to pack up our food and head out. It's shortly after eating breakfast, and then we leave at like 9:15 our time, and we don't get back till 7 in the evening. So because of that, I'm gonna make a couple of these rice cakes with a little extra fat today. I made a tofu. Got tofu in my mind. I made a spread with a mix of tahini and miso. And for that, I'm using the sweeter, lighter colored brown rice miso and tahini. You just mix a blend of each, I don't know, roughly equal amounts. You just get the right texture and consistency. It's a great sauce. You could also thin out to make more of a sauce, or keep it thick to have it be like you're spreading peanut butter basically. So I'm gonna just put that on a couple of rice cakes to pack to go. Don is packing up his lunch, dinner, meal to go full of rice, and I'm going to pack mine up as well. I'm packing up a piece of nori to go. If I had time, I would maybe just let the rice cool enough and then wrap it in the nori, make like a rice ball with the ume plum paste in the center. Maybe roll it in gomashio. Recipe is on my website for how to reuse already prepared or leftover brown rice. But anyway, I'm gonna just pack up the gomashio and the nori separate. Well, I might not need to do that. Mostly I was gonna do it separate because, you know, the rice I just have to microwave to eat on this day at where Don works at Trigger Point doing personal training. But since we are bringing fresh cooked, it may be just warm enough that I won't have to do that, so I can put the gomashio on it. Anyway, I'm gonna pack this up and I'll show you breakfast, miso soup, and reheated brown rice porridge coming up. Day 7 porridge and miso soup. Delicious, awesome soup. A little sweeter because I used a mix of the darker brown, heartier brown rice miso. There isn't much left of it. I just added a little to the lighter sweet that I also used to make my miso tahini spread for the rice cakes to go. Kind of in crunch time. Don't have time to chat right now, but I will do a review or assessment of our whole entire experience in this or a separate video. And I'll show, well, you've already seen me pack up my dinner, but anything else I can film today, I will if I get a chance. I'll be out and about all day. So otherwise, stay tuned. There'll definitely be a full review of how the whole week went. Some things that we would suggest to others if they were to try it or whatnot. So see you soon. Okay, it's time for dinner and I'm hungry. I had those 2 rice cakes over 4 hours ago. I do have a bit of a headache and I'm hoping I'll feel better once I eat. So here's dinner. This was some 500 grams of rice. We'll see if I eat it all. Got the gomashio on top, the fermented, homemade fermented. It's the lacinato kale, baby bok choy and cabbage, a little bit of hot second pressing of a twig tea, and I have a nori sheet here to make my little nori burritos. So that's my Ohsawa Diet No. 7 final meal of this 7-day diet. Okay, here we are, actually day 8. We are going to begin to just add some other foods, but keep it kind of to our simple regimen, especially because we are going to be doing a 3-day meditation retreat starting Friday, tomorrow. So this is oats with the leftover brown rice made into a porridge and gomashio, and then here's our miso soup.